Okay, what is here? Something. Is there something here? Wait, what's that? What is that? It looked like a ship. How this came from there? This came from. I can't go from here. Okay, I'll try from there. So, oh, scared me. There's a chest. Some diamond sword. And this even. I'm burning, come on. Just that's it. Just that only. There is nothing on me. This thing looked like a warship or something. I don't know from where this came. There's nothing here even. Just this. Nothing found here. So it's just only a warship in this portal. First time seeing this warship here. There is nothing, only this chest and golden sword and gold ingot. I'll go back to my portal, see if everything is nothing. So nothing happened here. Oh no, I saw this warship. So I didn't have found anything interesting, only this warship and this gold sword and a gold ingot. So still, I'm here. So, wait, what's that? Oh, it's just a zombie villager. Wait. So nothing happened here. Let me check all the houses. Why there are zombie villagers everywhere? In every house there is a zombie villager. How? From where this came from? There should be villagers here. Is there something there? No. But I don't want anything here. Let me check this chest. This wooden things. And another one. Found another one. Maybe the zombie eat the villagers, and that's what happened. So why all are them stuck in the house, in the web of the spider? I need to know. Can you tell me, guys, in your comments? Tell me in the comment section. I'll hear you. I want to know why these zombie villagers are stuck in this web, and why I found a warship. Just tell me in the comments. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe and hit the notification button right now if you want to see more, because I'll make such more videos that will get stronger and better. Hi Enderman, I can teleport as you. I can teleport. Want me to teleport as you, Enderman? Who's doing this sound? Is it you or the portal? Wait, I can teleport. Teleport. Hello, Enderman. I can teleport as you. So we finished our video. We can see more if you just subscribe and hit the notification button and like. Just see this. Oh, so nothing happened here. Wait, where's my warship? Oh, it's right there. No, nothing happened still. Is there something new in the chest? Nope. So, bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.